Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on BakeryToken, Bake, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to give you my price prediction for 2025. But before we begin, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. This is where I post all the trading setups and ideas that I am looking at every single day before I talk about them on YouTube. AI tokens, meme coins, gaming projects, RWAs, deepin, all that good stuff can be found on my Telegram group. It's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever, guys, so make sure that you join as soon as possible. Also, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button and let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, BakeryToken is currently ranked 507. The price is at 29 cents, almost 10% up for the day. The market cap is sitting right below 100 million, at 85 million to be exact. If we take a look at the all-time chart, we see that this token was created back in 2020, so it has experienced another bull run before. This token is pretty old, but I know that not many of you know about this token. However, I wanted to bring it to your attention because it's currently at range lows, and I know many people, many traders who like to trade this token. As you see here in 2021, Bake, during the previous bull run, pumped all the way up to over $6. Then people took profits during the distribution phase, and the price action started pulling back down. We entered the markdown phase, and then after the markdown phase, we saw a long accumulation phase. And we are still in accumulation, technically. Before we look at the charts on TradingView, let's look at what is BakeryToken real quick. Launched in September of 2020, Bake is a part of the Bakery Swap ecosystem. Liquidity providers are rewarded with Bake tokens, which can be used to earn a share of Bakery Swap's trading fees and to participate in voting as part of Bakery Swap's governance process. This is their X account. You can find them at bakery_swap. Trade Bake on Binance. So it's listed on Binance. And as I told you before, Binance likes to list cute things like that. Also cute meme coins, just like Peanut. And that's why I gave you Fred, Peanut's friend, the convicted raccoon, on my Telegram group. People who took this trade made over 100% profits in a day or two. We expect Fred to be listed on Binance. So if you're interested, check the Fred video that I posted a few days ago. As you see here, Bakery Swap has been pretty active on X. They've been posting pretty often. But what's crazy about this is that, look, they have over 593,000 followers. That's a huge community, guys. Other tokens that are way more popular don't have as many followers on X. So that's amazing. And this is the chart. We are looking at Bake USDT daily chart on Binance. If we zoom out again, you see that the all-time high here on Binance is at $8.50, let's say. People took profits, price action started pulling down, and for the past few years, since 2022, we've been in this accumulation zone with the price action moving sideways. Recently, on December of 2023, Bake experienced this nice little run-up all the way to 84 cents. But again, people took profits, price pulled back down, and we are currently at range lows inside this accumulation zone. If we zoom in, we see that there is a triangle pattern going on. We have this lower red trend line that has been acting as support. We had a nice bounce here, two more bounces here, one after the other, another bounce. Look at this. We've been bouncing on this. So that's a very valid, legit support trend line. And then we have this upper descending red trend line that has been acting as resistance. As you see, we got a rejection here, have another rejection, it was a fake out, another rejection. And we are currently testing this trend line. So what we want to do here is we want to wait and see what's the price action is going to do next. Are we going to see a breakout or get another rejection? As long as the price action is moving inside the triangle pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern. So since the price action moves inside the triangle pattern still, we have to assume that it's going to continue doing something like this until it breaks out. It might break out to the downside. If this happens, that's going to be pretty bearish. I would set up a stop loss here and exit all my positions. There is no point of holding a downtrend like this. And then when BakeToken consolidates again all the way down here, we can talk about another buying opportunity. For those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, if we get a rejection of this upper descending red trend line and the price action moves all the way down here again, it might be a good idea to start considering accumulating at this lower support so you can front run the breakout above the triangle pattern. On the other hand, if we see the price breaking above the triangle soon, get a breakout, buy the retest, wait for a continuation, move to the upside. I have a few targets here for you. The first target is located at 34 cents. From the current price levels to this first target, that's already a 15% move. Next target is at 48 cents, 64% move approximately. Next target is located at 63 cents, and that's a 118% move. You can basically double your money. Next target is located at 84 cents. From the current price levels, that's a measured move of 187%. And that's the high that we saw on December of 2023 when Bake popped. Of course, if the price action gets rejected here one more time and we pull back down to bounce on this lower support, this might be a more aggressive entry, but the gains are greater. For example, look, from the current price levels to this target of 84 cents, that's a 187% move. But if we get to accumulate all the way down here on support, that's a measured move of over 300%. You see the difference, right? That's a big difference. You can make almost double the money if you trade more aggressively. I have more targets here for you. The next target is located at $1.25. From the current price level, that's a 326% move. You see that Bake hasn't been to this price level since March of 2022. Zooming out even more, the next target is at $2, and the measured move from the current price level is a 6x move, 607% approximately. I think that during the full-blown bull run, Bake might experience a 600% move, guys. It's not impossible. We are currently at range lows, so we have nothing to lose. Of course, if the price action breaks below the triangle pattern, that's going to be pretty bearish, but for now, things look good. If we zoom out even more, I have a price prediction for 2025. That's pretty bullish, okay? It's not a moon mission price target. This price prediction is kind of conservative, since if you zoom out all the way and you see that Bake put an $8.48 back in 2021, that's the all-time high. My price prediction is way below that all-time high. As you might know, 98% of all projects don't reach their all-time high during the second bull run, okay? So if we assume that Bake is one of these tokens, but at the same time, since the market cap is right below 100 million at 85 million, there is a lot of room to grow here. So I want to make the case that Bake might pull a 10x move from the current price levels. Look at this, approximately, right? Depends on when you start the move. If Bake pulls a 10x move, it's going to have a market cap of $1 billion and a price of $3.45. As the time goes by, guys, I'm going to give you more updated price predictions for all these tokens that I am talking about these days. I'm going to have more data, so I'm going to be able to give more accurate price predictions. For now, I'm just going to leave it at that, a 10x move for a token that has been here, it has a community behind it, and it has a market cap of below 85 million, okay? So I think a 10x move during a bull run, during a full-blown, real bull run, might be possible for Bake. Let me know in the comments below, what is your price prediction for Bake for 2025? What I am doing with this token is that I'm just going to buy a little bit down here because we are currently at range lows, and I'm going to be trading it slowly during the bull run. I'm not going to invest a lot of money into this because there are many other projects that have captured my attention. But I think it's a good idea to throw some money into projects like this when they are at range lows, because later, when they move all the way up here and they pull a 400% move, 500% move, then you can put more money into this and make way more money. After they break above one of these targets, let's say this one, you can buy the breakout of this, buy the retest of this with more money, and you make way more gains during the next 100% move that this token experiences. You throw some seeds, basically, at range lows, and then there is a harvest season where you take profits and you move them into other projects. Again, I know many people who trade Bake. This token has been here. I know that many people don't know about this, but this is a tradable setup. That's all I had for you today, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Can Bake pull a 10x move in 2025? Also, make sure that you hit the bell icon so you receive notifications when I post updates on these trading setups that I am talking about today. So when I post an update on Bake or Fred, you can receive a notification and you won't miss out on the video. Trade carefully, my friends.